Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Germany's consumer price index at 6 GMT. Finland's industrial output will be released at 5 GMT. The French current account at 6:45 GMT. The Austrian industrial production at 7 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Porsche expects a €300 million hit to results as a consequence of absorbing US import tariffs in April and May, the luxury sports car manufacturer said in slides published after an investor call ahead of quarterly results. Oil prices were steady as investors weighed strong US gasoline demand data and attacks on shipping in the Red Sea, while US copper tariffs loomed. US crude stocks rose while gasoline and distillate inventories fell last week. Robinhood's strategic embrace of blockchain technology and tokenization has fueled a nearly 30% rally in its stock over the past month, highlighting the brokerage's new growth drivers despite regulatory scrutiny of some of its products.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.4%. Following a 1.1% intra-session dip. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.3% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.